we're actually leaving the KOA in Cherokee and we're headed to Concord, North Carolina. It's like a 3-hour drive. Ready for safe travels.
Attempting to remove one of the chairs in the garage, working on removing one of these. So because we're not going to have any toys, like big toys in here, we're going to just try to remove some of this silver stuff. This is me trying to get this off here. Let's see. Simple. Simple to remove. You see them? But they're in there playing the game. While mommy and daddy are in here working hard, right, Leroy? All right, you guys. So all of our stuff has arrived from Hawaii. So we have some really, really heavy totes. Get ready to take them to the storage unit. Oh, look at this guy. Push, push, push. Okay, don't try anymore. You're gonna hurt your belly. Okay, I got you. I'll help you. You guys, we have taken over. So right now we're not going to organize. We are just putting this stuff in there.
We will organize when we move out the storage.
No, shut up. No, so right now we're just allowing the boys to pick out a couple of toys that they want to play with for the next few days while we're fixing up the RV. What? They didn't want to bring Candyland?
Oh yeah, they want Candyland.
They want Candyland, okay. Look at these. So yeah. So this is how crazy we're looking right now. Again, we're gonna come back and fix all of this up. We're just going through some stuff. Look at our first Christmas picture, guys. This was our first Christmas photo. Liam was, I want to say, maybe 2.5 weeks old in that picture. So yeah, this is just us gathering some stuff. We'll check in with you guys again later. Peace. Hi guys. I said hi.
Hi.
I said hi.
Hi. But there's no lights.
No, there's.
No, the Messi is in second. No, yeah.
Give it to daddy. Give it to daddy. Give it to daddy. Thank you. Why are you so mean? Boom.
No, come here. Come here.
Okay, watch where you're going.
Come here. Come here.
Come here. Where are we going?
No, we can't go that way.
Okay.
Hey guys. Race cars.
You're doing what?
Race cars.
Race cars today?
And bungee jump.
You get ready to go? All right, he's ready for you. Go ahead. Look at his face. Okay, try it backwards. There you go. What's going on, guys? Today is August 16th, and as you can see, we are officially getting it done. This is what it looks like outside currently. So we have stuff out here. I'm getting ready to start making our installments of the carpet. So we're gonna scrub the floor. I'm removing all of the stickers, and there's a lot of dust and dirt. So I'm currently wiping off everything. We did a wiping when we first got the unit. But as you can see, because we're never really in here in the garage, like, you can see that there's actually dust in little areas that. Okay, so this is the before. Hopefully the after comes really soon. Okay, I'm gonna remove this TV here. I'm gonna put some type of picture here that I'm gonna like custom make a frame for, so that way it can hide this control box here. What's going on, family? So today is August 17th, and today we have surprise boys with a monster bash. Let me let them tell you. Where you guys headed?
Monster bash.
Monster bash.
My truck out of the window.
Yes. So right outside where our RV is parked at, it's like maybe a 5-10 minute walk from where our RV is. They're having Monster Bash, and then tomorrow is Hot Wheels. So we're gonna go have some fun, and we're bringing you guys along. See you soon. All right, guys. I don't know if you can see, but the RV is parked over there. We actually ended up driving over since it's so hot. Are you ready for this?
Yeah!
The show is about to start. We are walking back there now from the RV. Liam took a nap, so we came back. So now we're like speed racing. They're excited, y'all. Now walking home. We are now walking back to the RV home. The show is over. We had a really good time. Did you guys have a good time?
Yeah!
What do you need to tell your subscribers?
I got an excellent time. Mommy, come back soon.
Come back soon.
See you in the house.
Tomorrow you're going to Hot Wheels. That's
See you
correct.
in the house.
See you in the house?
Yeah.
All right. So we'd like to say thank you to all of our subscribers and those who are new to our channel.
If you're new to our channel, you should subscribe. Run for my life.
Run for your life.
Hey,
Hey, run for your life.
Not your life.
Not your life?
This way, guys.
Okay, come on.
Oh, we're on this road, right? Yeah.
I think we down this way.
We're down this way.
All right, guys, so we're trying to figure out which one of these belongs to us. Leroy, how was it tonight?
Oh, it was great. You know, it was hot earlier.
It was very hot earlier.
Very hot.
Oh, guys, just to let you know, we finally moved into our new house.
We moved into your new house. How do you like it?
Can I show our new house?
You gonna show them your new house?
It's over there. Has not my house. Yes, I gave you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. That's out. 2 floors.
All right, so they're excited. So we've been living in this RV for what, 3 weeks now?
About 3 weeks.
And I think it still excites us every time we think about it being home.
The travels, the adventures.
Yes, sir.